Alright guys, here I am sweeping away. I'm using the Swiffer. I know I did that in the other video, but this is me. I first did the Swiffer, the dry cloth, and I'm just sweeping the whole room. And yes, I did purchase like a bedroom set. I'll do another video of the bedroom set of what I got and where I got decorations, because I did put some decorations. So this is me. So now I'm doing the Swiffer, the wet cloth, and this is like a mopping thing. First I did the cloth, the dry one, and now I'm doing the wet cloth. Sophia, I'm recording here. That's my daughter. Well, anyways, this is just, you know, everyday thing that I do, just mopping. I just use the cloth of the wet Swiffer. I'm showing the wipes that I'm using, and it was a struggle me trying to get just one wipe so I could start wiping. So now finally I got the wipe out, and that's how the wipe looks like. And yes, this is the antenna. It's really thin, and you can put it in the wall or anywhere hidden, and actually it's good. It's not like the others that have like all the metals around or struggling. This is just simple. So this is the other video that I posted before. I'll link the video description below, and so y'all can watch what I got from Target. But this is the wipes that I use, or the cloth that I use to wipe the furniture, and this is the new furniture I got. I really love it. It's like gray. In the lighting you can't tell, but it is gray. It's not black. And there's some decorations I put, and I'll put another video where I got the decorations and what's the theme on my bedroom. But this is me just wiping down everything on the furniture, and just, I don't like dust, so this is what I used. Now I'm doing laundry, as you can see, and I'm doing the heavy duty for like heavy stuff, and so yeah, like, oh, you can see my reflection there. That's why I said hi. I am using my iPhone. I do not have a camera yet, but I'm saving for the camera that I really want to make my videos. And right now I'm doing this, like the laundry. I did run up for laundry detergent, so I did run to get Gain, and I really like this smell. And now I washed and everything, nice and clean. Hope y'all guys like this video. If y'all did, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.